Hi guys, got another lockpicking video for you. I've got another American padlock. This is the 50 series 5 pinner. It's a bit like the 51 American padlock 51. That works fine. I'll show you the bitting for it. 5 pinner. There you go. Let's give it a go at picking. Very similar to the majority of the American padlocks, full of serrated pins and spools. So let's give it a go at picking using the Peterson gem, which is my magic key for these padlocks. So start at the back of the lock, just pull it out, come to a stop, push, pin 5, click, drag, like pin 3. Okay, it's not moving, so I'm going to leave that alone. Pin 2, slight turn on the core of that one. Pin 1, click on the turn. So pin 5, that's not moving, so I'll leave that alone. Pin 2, go into rotation, set that. Pin 4, go into rotation. Pin 5, 4, pin 2, just like I overset this, so I'm going to reset it, start again. Pin 5, pin 3, pin 2, 10, pin 1, so there we go, I've gone into a full set now. Let's touch 5, and my pick's a bit stuck, so I feel I'm just going to try and test that. So you can just nudge it. Yeah, counter rotation on 2. There we go, it's giving me a full set, deeper full set. So I just feel like I'm actually stuck on a spool now. So I'm just testing each pin for a counter rotation. There we go. Counter rotation on 3. I'll set that. There we go. Open. Cheers guys.